Do you want to show a pros and cons list on posts in WordPress? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to show pros and cons list on posts in WordPress, step by step. Begin by clicking on Plugins and selecting the Add New option on the left-hand admin panel. Search and install i2 Pros and Cons plugin. Install and then activate the plugin. Now you could start off by going to the settings to change the way everything looks, but since you can't actually preview any of those changes, I strongly recommend checking out the default view inside of the Gutenberg editor. Go to any post or page on your website. Add title and then click on the plus button and search for the i2 Pros and Cons block. The default version is quite basic, but it still looks good enough to use. Click on the Enter Pros and Cons button. This will open up a small pop-up in which you can enter information into both columns. Firstly, you can enter individual points into each column. Next, you can change the icons of columns. You can also add the button. By default, it says Buy on Amazon, but you can configure that in the next step if you want to use one. You can also add heading icons and custom CSS to better match your theme. There is a lot of option to customize the columns. Update and view the live post.